we are proud to announce that Draganfly has been selected by the International Association of Campus Law Enforcement Administrators as its strategic partner to launch the National Campus Drone Implementation and Readiness Program for colleges and universities across the United States. Campus public safety agencies are facing an increasingly complex threat environment, from active shooter incidents and political unrest to severe weather events and unauthorized drone activity. At the same time, federal initiatives are encouraging the adoption of secure, domestically manufactured drone technologies that strengthen America's UAS ecosystem. Through this first-of-its-kind collaboration, Draganfly and IACLEA are providing higher education institutions with a clear, compliant, and trusted pathway to implement drone programs that enhance emergency response, improve situational awareness, and support safer campus environments while maintaining privacy and community trust. The IACLEA Campus Drone Implementation and Readiness Program, powered by Draganfly, delivers a complete roadmap for campus drone adoption through three key pillars: policy and governance, which is FAA-aligned policies, privacy, and data management guidelines, and governance frameworks specifically designed for higher education environments. Training and credentialing. Structured training pathways ranging from foundational UAS education and Part 107 preparation to advanced campus-specific drone operations, supported by IACLEA-backed credentialing. Equipment and support. Guidance on right-sized drone fleets utilizing Draganfly platforms, flexible acquisition options, and ongoing technical and operational support. Following a rigorous evaluation process, IACLEA selected Draganfly based on its proven track record supporting public safety organizations and its commitment to secure, professional, and mission-focused drone solutions. Together, Draganfly and IACLEA are helping campus leaders implement drone technology responsibly, ensuring agencies have access to the policies, training, equipment, and operational support needed to build sustainable programs that protect students, faculty, and staff. This initiative represents a significant step forward in modernizing campus public safety operations while aligning with evolving federal and state expectations surrounding trusted drone deployments and domestic UAS adoption. At Draganfly, we're committed to delivering trusted drone solutions that empower organizations to respond faster, operate more effectively, and enhance public safety. Through our partnership with IACLEA, we're helping campuses across America build the next generation of responsible, mission-ready drone programs, saving time, money, and lives.